All right, hey guys, so we're back with another stream. So last time we left off with finishing up getting the liquidity to show up on our UI, and also setting up some basic routes where if we click into one of these, that'll take us to this token. While I was off stream, I added a couple of views to our trade page, just the token name, token symbol, and also just some easy ways to get the contract addresses for both the token itself and also the pair. So that's kind of where we left off. But there is one big issue, which is when we go directly to this trade page, we go here, this page is blank right now because we don't have a token selected. I don't know if you can see the address here, but basically we're here, the URL here, we'll basically have this trade, but no address to go with it. So I'm thinking I want to populate this page with maybe something like a search bar. We'll keep it simple at first. This search bar, we will just search by the token address, and if the token is a Uniswap V2 pool, then display this card and let us be able to kind of click into it. And I'm thinking we can put this search window actually here as well too, because users might want to be looking for tokens that aren't necessarily just the ones on this list. So let's get on that today. But before that, got a little bit of housekeeping to do first. Some stuff I wanted to do. Let's see, what pages have we got? So token info is where we're displaying that page for a particular token. Just wanted to clean some of this up. I was doing a little bit of debugging earlier. Clean this up. Just have this. And for our Uniswap V2 card, I realized I made a mistake last time, that we needed to have this as a prop to kind of have some optimizations, but I realized we don't actually need that because this is the context already. So we can actually remove this, make this a little bit simpler. Where do we get the context? Here we go, we got it as a context. So this actually comes for free for us almost, so we can put that here. We just need to get use context. And that makes this, oops, I don't want to be here. There we go. That makes this a little bit more, maybe something else as well too, prices context. Let's copy paste that over. Sorry, I'm doing this stream over from the airport, so hopefully it's not too distracting in the background. Whoops, that's not what I want. There we go. That should simplify things a little bit more. We got rid of this one as well. There we go. All right, so we want to implement a search bar, and with the search bar, get these details so we can populate it with a card. So let's get on that. So firstly, we're going to make a new component for our search bar. I'm going to use a little bit of code that I've kind of reused from other projects before for this search bar. Let's make a search component. Search. All right, let's get on it. So I might be doing a bit of copy and pasting from previous projects. Let's see what we need here. So first thing I'm going to do is sort of search value. Let's grab this. Search, this is our search value, set search value. And that's a use state. And we'll give it a string, string. Start with empty string. Import that. Import string use state. All right. And what do we need? So let's render this actually first, so we know what we're working with. All right, let's do a little bit of copy pasting here. Actually, let's just type it in. Let's flex all to the styling. Make this relative, say 90. Let's see how this looks first. So how are we going to render this? We've got our trade page. Let's put our token view. Let's put another component here, which is our trade view. And this is for our empty trade page. Oops, not this one, this one. Import. Oops, actually let's fill this out first. That's not true. And let's get that search bar in there. Search. See if it'll show up. We got everything right, and we go to this. Oops. Needs to use state, works in client component. Okay, let's mark this as client component. Use client. Okay. Now let's see how this looks. Not rendering anything yet. Why is that? Missing anything here? Let's just see how that looks. All right, so that shows up. Let's take that one layer deeper. Trade view. How about this? All right, so why is our search component not showing up? Oh, we probably need something in here. That's probably why. Okay. All right, let's put an input in here. Let's put that. All right, let's style this. All right, now we got something showing up. Let's have a look. What do we need here? All right, let me go into my old code and see. All right, so what do we want here? So this was a solution I think I took from another channel on YouTube. I think it was Curious Byte. So thanks for putting this up, and maybe just check out his channel if you want to learn a little bit more about how to implement this search bar. But let's, in the meantime, keep going with this. Let's put in a placeholder in here. Enter token address. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that. How does that look? Yeah, there we go. That's looking good. But we want to get rid of this test. Where did I put that? Here we go. Let's get rid of this. It's a little bit nicer. All right. What else have we got? We also want to add in a little bit more styling. Underneath this, let's do button. Let's add a little magnifying glass in here. Its name, salute. And I think I already added this asset, this magnifying glass icon. Let's see where that came from. Magnifying glass. Icons, UI, magnifying glass. I think that was it. Let's see if that works. Okay. Let's try that. Not height and weight, height and width. Let's make the stroke 5F, 5F, 5F. All right, let's see if this pops up also. Nope, cannot find my magnifying glass. Why is that? Is it in here? App, source, assets, icons, UI, magnifying glass. All right, should be there, but let's see why it's not. Magnifying glass. Oh, like that? Is that what I wanted? Yeah, that's what I wanted. All right, now we got this magnifying glass up here. Looks good. But this is just styling. We don't really have anything on yet. Why is this focus outline none? That's what I want. So just a little bit, just personal preference. It's a bit more cleaner to me. All right, so let's add some actual functionality here. So what do we want? We actually want a prop here. All right, we're going to add this on search. We're going to bring that in from the parent. Search. All right, bring that in. And we're going to have a couple of handlers in here. So let's make a section for that. This is not, let's want a render here. So, want a search handler. Search handler, which maybe we'll have this change event. We'll have this input element. All right. go. What is this going to do? It's going to, whoops, E, and we'll set our search value based on this. Search value to target dot value. All right, what am I missing? Why do you not like that? It's not to like. Search handler. See anything missing here? All right, let's just copy paste this instead. All right, and then so we'll add that in for on change. So anytime search handler, right? Anytime this value changes, we should be logging this out. Let's take a look. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Oh, no, that's not good. Let's target dot value. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see maybe just barely enough. All right, so whenever it ends up there's something in, yeah, there we go. We see our input coming in here. That's great. And we also wanted to have something for when we actually enter in our target, press enter on the keyboard to actually do the search. And we'll make another one here. So on key down handler. All right. And that is for when the user presses enter. And then we'll call our search value. That will be on key down handler. All right, and we'll pass that in from one level above that, from the parent, which is this trade view. Let's set some state first. Before we do that, let's go. Where are we? Also have a search value here. Search value, set search value, use state. And we'll also have our handler. Handle search, let's call it that. It takes in a value. Set search value. And let's just make sure this works. And we need to import use state. All right, let's see how this looks. We need to pass this in as well too. I think it was called on search. It was, yeah, on search handle. Just to be a little bit more consistent, a little bit OCD here. It's called search handler. search handler. Let's see if this works. So when we press enter, we should be able to see this pop up in our input. Hey, kitty. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's made some progress here. So obviously we still need to make something happen when we press enter here. So the plan is to have the token card appear here next. But let's get on that on the next stream. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like what I'm doing, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to keep doing more. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time.